Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got another budget-friendly diamond painting unboxing from Amazon. And again, all of these diamond paintings are under $10 and they are cute as they can be. So I'm not going to do all of these because there's quite a few in this box, but I've already opened it because when I got it, the side of the box was busted open and it kind of freaked me out. So anyway, I went ahead and I opened it just to make sure nothing was missing. So I'm just going to move this over to the side and I am going to just pull one out and we will do one at a time. So I do hope everybody's having a great day, and I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers for letting me know that y'all are enjoying these little videos. I'm having fun with them, and I feel good that I can put out a video at least, more than once a month, because that's pretty much what I was doing before this. So I'm glad that you're enjoying the videos, and I appreciate all my subscribers. I appreciate everybody who is new, and at least I hope y'all are enjoying these. And if you are, please go ahead, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, because that does help my channel. And just give me a comment. Let me know how you are doing, what you're working on, whatever. Okay, sorry, I had to pause. I don't know what's going on. Before I started videoing about 20 minutes ago, I live out in the country, so not much goes on out here, but we just had fire trucks, police, and ambulance go down with their sirens going. And like I said, that was like 20 minutes ago, and I thought, okay, well, I'm going to start doing my video, and now they've all turned around, I guess, with their sirens on, and they're all going back down the other way. So I don't know what's going on. So I may end up having to pause again if anybody else goes through with their sirens on, because it was pretty loud. So anyway, I just hope everything's okay, because like I said, not much happens out in this part of the woods where I live. So okay, let's try this again. I don't even remember what I was saying, but thank you to all my subscribers, and please go visit my Etsy shop. It's called Justminderbusiness. I sell cover minders. I'll put a link in my description box. I always do to all my videos. And if you have any questions, you can always put it in the comments, or you can email me, because my email will be in the description box also. So, with all of that being said, let's get into this. So, this canvas is a special drill, and it is poured glue. Now, like I said, I give less than $10 for all of these canvases. So I'm going to bring y'all down just a little. All right, and I hope y'all can see that pretty good. I hope the glare is not too bad. Let me see. I don't know if that would be better, worse. I don't know, because I can't tell. Okay, y'all let me know in my comments whether you like the ring light on better or off. All right, so as you can see, this is a Beagle. And let me see, I wrote down all the info. This is a 30 by 30, and I gave $4.99 for this. He comes with your regular toolkit, which is the pink pen, the wax, and a green boat. All right, and then he comes with crystals. Like I said, it is a special drill. Now, I love doing these, y'all. I really do. Hold your ears for the noise. But I do. I love doing the special drills. They are so much fun, and it's just, I don't know, they just make me happy. So this has got your thumbnail up at the top so that you know what it's going to look like. It has a legend on the top left, and it also has one on the bottom right. Plus it has another little thumbnail up here. Now it does have 20 colors. There are no DMCs, no kind of codes or anything. It's just 20 colors, and it looks like they are labeled 1 through 8, and then it's got your ABCs. All right, let's take a look. Now, it does have the canvas number is on the top of the canvas, and it is also on the bag right there. And it looks like, yeah, there's absolutely, well, I don't know. It does look like there's a 47, that's a 50, and a 15. If that means anything, I'm not real sure. But, all right, anyway, let's look at these things. All right, looks like you got some blues, some more blues. Like this is more of an aqua to where this is more darker. Then we have like a peachy. Both of those are kind of peachy looking, like an orangey peachy. Let's see, we have gold. We have like a reddish. And then we have a light blue. Ooh, there's a piece of trash right there on the very top of that. But there's a purple and a green, another green. There's like a very light green. This is kind of a, looks kind of brownish maybe. There's a pink. There's another blue. And then like a yellow green. And then we have some clear. And then we get a little bit bigger, light blue. And then a little bit bigger again. And these are blue. And then a darker blue and a yellow. So those are very pretty. So the whole canvas is a crystal canvas. And is this what, I'm going to say this might be what everybody calls the bubble canvases, I think, because of the different size crystals. Is that what they call them? I'm not real sure. But very sticky. And as far as the drill field, I think it looks very good. I can make out all the numbers and the letters. Doesn't look blurred or bad in any way. So again, let me pull y'all back up some. So again, this one is just a little Beagle, and he was $4.99, and it is a 30 by 30. So I will have in my description box all the info, the link to this canvas, and how much he was, and if it's still available. Because I know a couple of the canvases that I've already shown are out of stock. And it says on there they don't know if they're going to get it back in or not. So, hopefully, if y'all like this one, hopefully he'll still be there. Because I think he's cute. So, alright. Anyway, y'all, that's it for this one. And Until my next video, I hope everybody has a great day, and I will see all y'all later. Bye, y'all.